Some of you might have already come across a term called the cineback. What is a cineback?
Cineback for the FX3 and FX30. It transforms your camera into a compact cinema body.
It feels and looks so much like a cinema camera.
Caleb is solving one of the biggest problems we creators have with the Sony FX3.
Sounds great, I want it. The only problem is, they don't exist for my camera. Surely that's the end of that, you might say. And that'd be true if you weren't stubborn enough to try to make your own. Make your own? How? You'd respond. Well, it's 2025. How could you make something in the comfort of your own home these days? Ah, there you go. Now you've got it. Now, while we wait for that to arrive, what should our cineback look like? Well, first things first, we're gonna need a way to connect the cineback to the camera. Next, we're gonna need a way to mount other gear, stuff like a battery or a handle. And lastly, because this isn't a fully articulating screen, we'll need a special way to view it when the rig is assembled. But Eric, you'll say, you don't know how to 3D model. Well, it's a good thing you can learn from YouTube. It's here. We've reached the final act. Time to introduce our cast. here we go. A way to connect to the camera? Check. Ways to connect other gear? Check. View the screen? Check. At the end of it, you might wonder, was any of this even necessary? You only really make a handful of YouTube videos a year. And my response would be, it wasn't. You might also wonder, was this even well executed? My response would also be, it wasn't. But you know what they say, sometimes it's about the journey and not the destination. And I'd do it all over again in an instant. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.